Hello everyone, this printer is Epson XP-2200. I'm going to give you information of the control panel, guide to control panel. This button is on button, turn the printer on and off. Then this button is Wi-Fi button. When the network error occurs, pressing this button cancel the error. Hold this button down for more than 5 seconds to perform Wi-Fi setup, Wi-Fi auto setup using WPS push button. This button is information button, print network connection report, allowing you to determine the cause of any problems you may have using the printer on a network. If you need more detailed network settings and connection status, hold this button down for at least 5 seconds to print network sheet report. Then this button start monochrome copying on A4 size plain paper. To increase the number of copies by up to 20 copies, press this button within 1 second's interval. Copy the document in black and white monochrome. And this button is for you to copy the document, start color copying on A4 plain paper. You need to keep pressing it 1 second interval to copy up to 20 pages. This button is for you to stop the current operation. Hold this button down for 5 seconds until the power on button flashes and run print head cleaning. When the lights turn on, press the button to replace the ink cartridges. When the light flashes or turn off, hold the button down for 10 seconds until the ink cartridge holder starts moving to replace ink cartridges. Function of button combinations. Press the copy monochrome and copy color buttons to run software on USB connected computer and scan as a PDF. To scan as a PDF, copy in the draft mode. Press the stop button and copy black and copy color simultaneously to copy in a draft mode. For users in Western Europe and draft mode is not available. WPS setup, you need to press the Wi-Fi button and stop button together. So hold down the Wi-Fi and stop button together simultaneously to start pin code setup. Wireless direct, hold down the Wi-Fi and information button simultaneously to start Wi-Fi direct. Simple AP setup. Restore default setting, so you press information button and power on button. Turn the power on while holding down information button to restore default setting. Restore network settings. When the network settings are restored, the printer turns on. The network status lights flashes alternately. And also this stop button and power on button, print nozzle check pattern. Then I also have power on button and Wi-Fi button, disable network service. Turn the printer on while holding down the Wi-Fi to disable Epson Connect service. So these are information I thought to share with you of the control panel. Thank you very much indeed.